I'm always filming you
Okay.
because I don't like to be in front of the camera. So it is the 14th of October, 2023,
Yeah.
and the trees are rapidly losing their leaves. Yesterday we had frost in the morning, so
That's cool.
it's probably not a good time to be painting.
Yeah.
But we
Not
can
if it.
always plan.
Yeah.
We can plan ahead to the
Are
spring.
we? What are we painting?
Well, we got lots of cars to paint. We got a Miata to paint.
Okay.
We got a TR3 to paint, a GT6 to paint, a TR6 to paint, another TR6 to paint, another TR3 to paint.
Lots of cars. Maybe it's worth setting up a booth somewhere.
Yeah, it'd probably be a good idea.
Yeah, because without a booth, it's stupid. With so many cars, it's worth investing in
Right.
something, right?
Anyway, this guy's a bad influence. I keep saying he's a bad influence, but anyway, yesterday or a couple days ago, we were on Marketplace, or I was on Marketplace, and I happened to see an inflatable paint booth at a pretty good price. So I texted Lynn back and I said, "Are you interested in going halves on a booth?" And he said yes. So we made the drive out to Grimsby, Ontario this morning, and we picked up our booth. So we're going to just have a little bit of fun here, and we're going to inflate it to see what it looks like. I believe it's 20 feet long, and I think it's got a 4 foot little paint mixing area at the end. I think the main compartment is 16 feet long. I think it's 10. I can't remember how wide it is,
I
but
think it's 10 by 20.
okay. We're gonna set it up here on the front property, and we're gonna play a bouncy castle with it. So we've got the two, yeah, we got the two blowers here, so, and a couple of extension cords. So we'll see if we can put this up just before we put it away for the winter time. So we'll have something to play with in the spring when that's here. We'll have something to paint inside. So let's go ahead and put this up and see what it looks like
I'll do it right here in the front lawn.
on the front lawn, so that all the neighbors can look at us.
Yeah.
All right, there is the booth inflated, and it's pretty good. It's 14 feet on the inside, so you can definitely get a Triumph in there. It's going to be tight, nose to nose, because I think the Triumphs are about 12 feet, 11, 12 feet, so might have to push it forward and backwards a little bit. But otherwise, it's looking good.
In the worst case scenario, we can always cut the interior and open it.
You could, yeah, definitely could make this little compartment here at the end. You could definitely open that up if you wanted to. So it's pretty cool. Obviously, it went up very quickly, probably 3 minutes to go up once we closed the, I guess this is the flap. Was that the flap to deflate it, basically?
Yeah.
So, and these are filter panels in here, or Velcro, so you can actually feel the air coming out. It does have the man door and the full door to be able to get a vehicle in. So that looks good. So yeah, I think we're going to get a lot of use out of this. Like I said, we've got a lot of cars to paint in the upcoming spring, so we'll put it to good use then. It's nice how quickly it goes up. So yeah, good investment, I think. Rather than trying to paint in an old dusty garage, we've got something that's fit for the purpose. All right, stay tuned for more videos on the inflatable paint booth in the future on both this channel and on Lynn's Rusty Beauties channel. All right, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Looking forward to getting a car in here.